Oh yes, packaging definitely makes the difference. Today, more than ever, the point of sale influences consumers' decision to purchase product. The battle for consumer attention is on. Millions of new packages hit the shelves every year, expressing the need of customized messages to focused audiences. That practically means running smaller quantities in short time for different marketing needs. Just manufacturing these packages emits 700,000 tons of CO2 into the atmosphere, thereby consuming large amounts of natural resources. This is a serious environmental issue. It also represents a challenge for converters as they are increasingly faced with new, tighter governmental legislation. We have witnessed in both pre-press and printing sectors the industry rapidly adopting digital solutions to streamline workflow and deliver greater flexibility to the customer. But to date, the exception has been in post-press, where processes have remained traditionally unchanged for decades. The traditional process is long, but fascinating. The traditional packaging process begins with a designed package being sent out and a prototype made. Delivering the prototype to the client, approved for production, ordering the die-cut plate, which, unfortunately, has to be done at a different location, preparing layout to fit the system. The next step is the delicate, meticulous process of preparing the die. This is done by experienced professionals and can take up to a week. Cutting the wood by laser machine, preparing slots for the blades, bending blades, preparing for insertion, inserting the blades into the wood. This man is a professional. Skill and experience are a must, since even the smallest mistake creates problems downstream and even more costs. Cutting rubbers, gluing rubbers. Millions of die-cut plates produced annually, all in this way. Materials are expensive and are shipped from different locations around the world. Sending die-cut plates to the converter. Just a few more steps and we can at last start to prepare the package cartons. Installing the die-cut plate. Installing the creasing matrix. Adjusting the machine. 1 to 3 hours machine setup. And then cutting the carton. After finishing the seventh step, who's counting, the cartons are ready to be sent to the client. The die-cut plates are then stored as some of the jobs need to be repeated. Think about how much room that requires. In fact, warehouses are needed just for that. So this is the process we use today all over the world. Costly process, multiple machines, multiple stages, extended setup time, slow speed to market, and if a change is needed... Yes, sir? You need to make changes in your packaging? And you need it when? Tomorrow? Highcon? Direct-to-pack? Highcon, welcome to the wonder of direct-to-pack. Highcon brings a digital revolution to the packaging industry. Highcon's direct-to-pack technology will transform a laborious, expensive, mechanical-based folding carton manufacturing process into a fast and flexible digital process. The digital process starts with a standard DXF file. Once the file is received, we load a Highcon dart foil onto the upper drum. The next stage is to write the crease lines, the rules, onto the foil using the Highcon proprietary dart technology. The polymer lines are laid down according to the digital file. The crease lines are then cured and we're ready to go. The entire setup is a matter of minutes. The substrate moves from the feeder between the upper drum and the counter to be creased. And from there, it moves on directly to the laser cutting station. The sheets pass under an array of specially developed high-powered lasers and precision optics to produce on-demand cartons, quickly, accurately, and simply. The range of cutting shapes is limited only by your imagination. Highcon's revolution delivers even more benefits. Fast speed to market, new design abilities, elimination of physical warehouses, shorter setup process, minutes, not hours, requires only basic operator skills. Highcon's direct-to-pack technology. By thinking out of the box, we are changing the very way boxes are made. Highcon Direct-to-Pack. Secure your future.